Manisha. So please watch this video till the end. Now, let's start. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's start. There are only 3 items. Some toothpicks, bottle of water, and some clay. For our convenience, let's divide this video into 3 steps. Step number 1. Be the body, hands and legs. Step 2. Now we will make the head, ears, trunks and the crown. The final and last step, third step. In this, we will add the extra details to Manisha idea. In the first step, we will have to do the base. So let's take some clay and roll it into a ball. Is there anything missing over here, guys? Yes, trees and eyes. Let's go to the tree. How it looks, and I'll try to do this every year, and I hope that it'll look better next time. It looks pretty cool, isn't it? You want to try it at your